What's up mga kalagarahe? Welcome back to our channel.
The trap is sprung.
Ayun mga kalagarahe, so it's been a long while natapos din itong build namin na Royal Enfield Classic 350. And first off, this bike is from Cebu and ang owner nito is ang Red Indian Customs. Alright? So, this build is more of like a collab between Red Indian Customs and Lagaray Motorcycles. So, ang gusto ni Sir Dominic, shout out Sir Dominic for trusting Lagarahe and for letting us build your Classic 350 na Royal Enfield. So, this bike is in no running condition. So, walang-wala talaga mga kalagarahe. Halos di na namin matulak papunta sa shop kasi even the tires won't turn. Ayaw talaga. And then, yung engine ayaw mag-start. So, walang-wala talaga. So, ang nangyari dito is full restoration talaga. Alright? So, from ground up, yung sinabi ko kanina, literal ground up. So, ni-repair namin lahat. Engine, even the hubs. Those are brand new hubs. Stock pa din, pero brand new. Alright? So, ang gagawin natin today is mag-parts reveal tayo sa ginawa natin. But first and foremost, papakita muna namin sa inyo yung stock look, which is this one. That's the Royal Enfield Classic 350. A very classy one. And then, pinagawa to ni Sir Dominic, and the look that he got was this. After a while, nakapag-decide siya na pumili siya ng mga builders dito sa Philippines na gumawa ng bike niya. And luckily and happily, he chose Lagarahe na gagawa nitong gusto niyang project. Ang nangyari, eto ang final look na na-achieve natin. Alright? Before tayo magpa-parts reveal mga kalagarahe, we just want you to know na lahat ng parts, like literally lahat ng parts na nabibili is provided ni Sir Dominic kasi siya yung main supplier namin. And so dito, by the way, sila yung nagsusupply ng mga sawtooth tires ha. Mga Foxstone dati. So rebranded na yan ito Red Indian tires. For this build, ginawa natin, first and foremost, ito yung pinaka-highlight sa lahat. Ito, Springer niya. Also a product of Red Indian Customs. Alright? Springer forks. And then, ito, Hollywood bar. Sa kanya din galing. Even the switches. Also from Red Indian. And this one, the brakes. The brake levers. The handle grips. Ayan, lahat. Even the riser. Yan. Dito naman sa headlight, yung nagustuhan ni Sir. Siya din pumili na ito yung ilagay, yung maliit. Tapos yung bulb, pinalitan lang namin ng LED. Dito naman sa brake, this is the original Royal Enfield brake. Tapos, ni-replace lang namin yung luma kasi sira na. Good thing, provided naman ni Sir. Binili niya pa from out of the country. And then, minodify natin na magiging functional lang brake with the Springer. So, ayan. Yung hubs, brand new. Yung brake, yung rotor discs, brand new. Then, yung rims, and then the tires. But, itong fender na to, of course, personal touch natin. Custom, handmade, aluminum fender. Ayan. Actually, 3 parts to. One for the main fender and for the bracket. Tapos, aluminum welded namin dito. TIG welded sa sides. Both sides. Ayan. So, it's sturdy. And naka-bead roll din sa giliran. Ayan. Dito, actually, mga kalagarahe, napakalaking trabaho to dito. It may look simple, pero malaki-laking trabaho talaga ang nangyari dito. Para lang may kabitong stock na Royal Enfield front hub. And then, dito sa tangke, we use this Sportster tank. I'm not sure ilang liters, but I think it's a 13-liter gas tank. Hindi yung 9 liters kasi maliit yon. Ito yung malaki na version nila from Red Indian. Sa engine, binangkas namin to lahat. Then we painted the block, the main crankcase, and then dito naman sa top head, and then the crankcase cover, pinachrome ni Sir kasi gusto niya daw mabalik sa original na look ng Royal Enfield, which is chrome. Dito sa seat, custom natin, of course, signature. Custom din yung upholstery, custom shape natin. And then dito sa carburetor, ito po yung original ng Royal Enfield, brand new din po. Then may stainless na filter. Ayan. Sa side cover, nilagyan natin ng custom aluminum side cover. Ayan, may details yan naka-design. As you can see mga kalagarahe, dito na part na to, this is the original frame of the Royal Enfield. Itong part na to, di na namin to binago to give it a signature ng Royal Enfield. So kasi pag makikita nyo to, ma-remember nyo talaga na it's a Royal Enfield. Ito kasi yung parang signature nila sa frame nila itong part na to. Alright. And dito naman, full custom exhaust system. Yan, naka-thermal wrap na rin just to give it a more classy look. Nababagay din dito sa seat. Black yung thermal wrap. Stainless bracket. And then sa shocks, mamahaling shocks kasi this is a genuine Royal Enfield shock din. Nilagyan lang natin ng riser just to lift it up a bit. Then sa swing arm, nag-extend tayo ng mahaba-habang swing arm. So we extended around like 5 to 6 inches ata. And for the chain, we used, of course, our most trusted chain, DID chain, Japan quality, O-ring type. So ang ganda ng quality niyan mga kalagaray. And this fender actually is provided by Red Indian Customs, alright? Pero ang problema nito pagdating dito sa amin is it is super wide. So it's for a 170 tire. So ang ginamit namin, ang ginawa namin, minodify namin to kasi steel to eh. So steel to, minodify namin, we cut it in half and we did this one rib-like look. Yan, actually, ito pa rin yung original na ribbing niya. So, yan. Ninarrow it down lang natin na mag-fit sa gulong. And then dito, custom fender. Yan. Carbon steel. Yan. Alright. Then, 16-inch na rims and tires sa likuran. Right. And, we did a lot of modifications on the tire para pumasok. Kasi sa Royal Enfield talaga, ang fit lang na tire, sagad. Actually, sumasayad na yon is yung 120. Eto, this is 5.0, so this is 130. So, medyo sasayad talaga siya. So, may ginawa kaming mga modification para lumuwag yung spaces dito. So, naging okay ang lahat. Tapos, ito naman sa taillight niya with a plate number holder. So, mas maganda kasi yung sa giliran pag bobber. So, nasa side. Then, chrome na signal lights. Ayan. Pati din pala yung muffler. Chrome yung pinaka-exhaust niya. Ayan. Tapos, dito naman sa susian, the original mounting nito is andito, yung sa lumang side cover. So, we found it awkward na andito yung susian. So, nilipat namin dito yung susian. Yan. And then, dito rin yung mga stand, chrome namin. Kasi dati naka-paint job to lahat. All black. Like, blacked out lahat. So, ayan, basically, this is the look of the Royal Enfield that we did. Ayun, magsa-sound check tayo sa build na to. So, check natin yung tunog niya, kung okay ba. So, ito yung idol niya. Tapos pag i-rev naman natin, and that was sexy and aggressive. Alright. So, okay ba yung tunog niya mga kalagarahe? So, comment down below kung nagustuhan niyo yung tunog ng exhaust natin and yung idle niya, kung okay ba. So, ayun. So far sa pag-test drive namin, wala naman naging problema. Everything went smooth and we had no problem at all pagkatapos ng build. So, ayun. We hope that you like this collaboration build between Red Indian Customs and Lagarahe Motorcycles. So, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.